We are back with another Dollar Tree haul. Just kidding. No, but really, we are back with another Dollar Tree haul. So definitely grab a snack, grab a drink, hit that subscribe button because you guys don't want to miss my videos. And yeah, I'm still muscling. Don't mind. So let's just jump in because there's a lot. Make sure you're subscribed. So the first thing we got is the Disney Princess Hand Lotion in Hibiscus Coconut, which I cannot wait to smell. So we got that. Then we got the Snow White one, which is apple, which I'm most excited for. She's my favorite princess. Then we got, we have the Cinderella one too. And then we have Cinderella, which is vanilla rose. Then we have the Amethyst collection, and this is the shimmering body oil in lavender scent. So, super, super pretty. And then we have the Rose Quartz Body Milk in Rose scent. And then, sorry, I have stuff in my hand and I'm trying to show. Then we have the Body Glaze in Jasmine scent. So, pretty cute collection. Then we have the Princess Lip Mask in Apple scented. Then we got this Be Pure Poof Paste, drying paste with clay, spot foam to help reduce blemishes. Super cool. Then, I'm getting rid of this in my hand. We have the Lee Mercier. This is the Velvet Brown Stunning Lip Tint. So we have that one. Velvet. Then we have the Rosy Mauve. I'm obsessed with this one. And then we have Blush Veal. And then, of course, I picked up my all-time favorite. Remember, this is the original. This is the new version. So whenever I see the original, in the bag. Then we found some new pens. So they're the Dual FX 2 colors in one 3D effect. Perfect for doodling. I thought these were pretty cool. So we got this one. And then we got this one. So I like to journal and stuff, so in the bag. But anyway, that is, oh no. And then I got this huge hair clip. I love hair clips. So we got that. So that's it for bag number 1. Let's keep rolling. Okay, then I got a couple of these little mini keychains, like the book bags. We have the pink book bag and then the purple book bag. I think these are so cute. So got those. Then I got the pink and the blue duck pens because these are just too cute for me not to have. So then I got the SpongeBob SquarePants shaped shower steamer, and this is in pineapple. I had to have this, literally. So we got that. Oh, everything's falling on me. Then we got the new Ioni Healthy Era Camouflage Liquid Concealer in Cool Light. I cannot wait to try this. I guess this is like a whole new collection. This is the only thing I saw so far though. But we got this. I'm so excited to try that. Then we got the Kylie Jenner lip dupe. This is in Terracotta Rose. You get a liner and a lip. Then we got this Korean face mask, and this is Original Derma Beauty, Hyaluronic and Squalane, Step 1 and Step 2 little face mask. So we got that. Then we got this Sippin' Pretty little lip balm, and it is lime scented. I'm so excited. How cute is this though? So we got that. Then we got, there's a new Global Beauty Care little line, and it's the Fruit Halo line, and this is the strawberry lip oil. Then we have the watermelon lip oil. In some stores it rang up $1.50, in some stores it rang $1.25. So I'm confused on that part. But we got that. And then more. Then we have new Global Beauty Care. Be Pure. So this is the Smoothing Retinol Night Serum. And compared to Olay Retinol. So we have the Night Serum. Then we have the Retinol Night Moisturizer. They also had the cleanser and something else, but I was just interested in these two things, so got that. Then we got the Le Mercier lip stain in Rosy Mauve. Love that shade. Strawberry lip balm. I'm just obsessed with how cute these are. And then we have the watermelon to finish it off. So, got that. Then, to finish off the fruit collection, though, we have cherry lip balm, lip gloss, lip oil, whatever you call it. Then we have these Gimme hair claws. How cute are these? And these are firm hold 2 lay flat clips. So, got those. Then we have the Kylie Jenner dupe, and this one is in Pink Lemonade. Obsessed with this color. So, then we got the new Be Pure little line, and this is the setting spray, aloe vera and cucumber extract. I'm obsessed with this whole line. So we have that. Actually, let's open it because I'm curious to see what it looks like. Yeah, sure, if I can get it out. I swear I cannot open packages. So, it just looks like this. So that's the setting spray. And then we got the mattifying primer. So, of course, we're going to open this too because I feel like it's going to look the same, but you never know. And yeah, it is the same, like, type packaging. So we got that. And then the lip oil is somewhere buried. Yeah. So then we got the Spa Essentials Do It All Hydrating Serum Stick. So I'm excited for that. Then we got the Skincare Spa Ash by Phase Makeup Melting Lava Oil Cleanser. I'm so excited for this because I love like the makeup melting balms. So this is what it's supposed to look like. So I'm what open. How cute is that though? So we got that. Then by Spa Ash we have the Everything Hydrating Balm. Super fun. Then Spa Ash is not done. We have the Deep Puff and Nourish Eye Cream. So it looks like this. Let's open it. Okay, so this is what this looks like. Interesting. Then we have the Powerhouse Serum. So it looks like that. So the serum. Then we have the Balancing Toner Serum Spray. How cute is that though? So got that. Then, I just showed that. Then, sorry, we're like skipping all around. Then we have by Nature Sense these new duo chapsticks. So this is Strawberry Melon and Peach Passion Fruit. Are we kidding? Yes, please. Like what? Then we have Jasmine Green Tea and Orange Blossom. Then Kiwi Mango and Sweet Honey, which is probably my favorite. Then we have vanilla bean and coconut. Those are all $1.25, by the way. Then we have the Alice in Wonderland Moisturizing Lip Gloss Palette. How cute is this, though? Are we serious? I have to open it. I have to know what it looks like. What's your favorite princess movie? Because I'm just curious. So, sorry, opening stuff with one arm is a little tricky. So this is what it looks like. Super pretty colors though. No mirror or anything, but for $1.25, it's cute. Then we have the tinted lip oil that goes with the setting spray and primer. So of course we have to open this to see. I'm assuming it'd be the same packaging. Why wouldn't it? Yeah, same packaging. Super cute though. Then everything's falling. Then by Spot Ash, we have the Skin Soothing Strawberry Sugar Face Scrub. Sorry, I have to open everything because I am just curious. Oh, okay, this is super cute looking. So we have that. Then the last thing from that collection is the Day and Night Moisturizing Mask. So, of course, I have to open this one. Oh, this is such a cute. My hands are shaking. This is super cute. So we have that. I definitely want to do like a whole video or like a, like trying it and like wait a day, do a whole video on it. Okay, then we have some Flower Beauty stuff. So we have Cocoa and Copper Cream and Chrome Eyeliner Duo from Flower Beauty. How cute. Oh, right on the floor. Of course it did. Then the last thing from this bag is Flower Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer in Light Medium. I'm so stoked to try this. So we got that. So that is it for that bag. Let's keep moving. I know, it's hard to think we have more, but we do. It's this Butter Clouds Fairy Dust Cotton Candy Scented Slime. I don't know why I was so intrigued by slime, but I was. So I was just like, you know what? We're going to try it. Why not? So we got this for $1.75, which isn't bad. Then I got these new shoe charms. How cute are these? Like I said, I put these in my bow bag, my Crocs, all of it. So we got those. Then we got the lip tint. And this does not say the color. I think this is just the original, like, Lee Mercier one, honestly. So, got that. Then we got the Crystal Lip Gloss in Passion Fruit. This one I'll always restock on because this one is my favorite. If I had scissors right here, I'd open it and put some on. But, no, I'm just going to try to open it. But I do not have scissors. Normally I do have scissors, but for some reason I don't. So anyway, let's just keep moving on. Then I did get the blue backpack little keychain. These are so cute, literally. So we got that. Then we got the High Shine lipstick in Berry. Super cute. This we can put on my lips. My lips are so dry. Like this weather. It's like in between warm and cold still, like I can't pick what it wants. How pretty is this? Oh, this is nice. It goes on very smooth. Doesn't smell, which I like, but this is super, super nice. I highly recommend this shade. I got it on my upper lip. Don't look at that. But anyway, so we got that. Then we got the Blush Butter Balm in Sweet Rose. This one's my favorite. I love this. So honestly, this is going to be like a haul and like a trying stuff video because why not? We're going to put this on too. So honestly, we're just gonna take our pinky. My hands are clean. Get on our finger, kind of just dab it. I mean, obviously, I'd have a brush if I was like really trying to do this, but kind of blend it out with our finger. But I do like the color and the application. So, and I lost the lid. But, oh, here it is. But that is super nice. Definitely gives a hint of color, so you can definitely see it. So that's that. I'm definitely gonna leave it on. I like it. Then we got, what is this? Oh yeah, we got the little Neatos noodles. How fun is this? Literally. And again, I want to open this because I'm kind of intrigued. I literally cannot find Neatos anywhere though. Like online, they're sold out. Like everywhere, sold out. I literally tried to do like an at-home order from Walmart, and I placed the order and it said, "Oh yeah, in stock, shipping from the store nearby." And then out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. I was like, oh, whatever. But these are just noodles, I guess. Okay, these are fun. So we got Neato Nudies. And these were $1.75, but they're cute and they're fun. So, you know, worth it. Then got, in this bag, we just have the hydrating lip serum. Fantastic. Then we do have some new colors of the mini fans. These are great to put in the car, beach bag, whatever. So we have pink and we have yellow. Then the last few ones for this video, and I'll have to do a whole nother video on more bags. But I got these fashion press-on nails, and how cute are those actually? Can you guys see the embellishments on those? Like, are we kidding? Those are gorgeous. So we got those. Then we got these non-toxic colors and motions metallic twist up crayons. Honestly, I'm obsessed with these because of how cute they are. So we got those. Then we got this squishy, and this glitter gets everywhere, but it's just a squishy, squishy. It's a little paw print. And then we have this one, which is like, a little waffle. So for $1.75, not bad, honestly. Then we got the little cup, but this time it's in yellow. We got the lip gloss in Feeling Grateful. This is a throwback collection. And then the last thing is these shoe charms in like the gamer version. So yeah, so that is everything I got from this haul. Definitely scored, and there's so much more, so you guys do not want to miss my hauls. And yeah, definitely subscribe, comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, I should be on the hunt for. Subscribe, share the channel, I'll see you in the next one.